Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Nutritionist lists food habits that pose a danger to human health. Eating habits affect not only the quality of life, but also its longevity. Some of them can be detrimental to health and cause serious problems in the body. Nutritionist Nadza Pakurko said on Instagram that she named the top 5 habits that you should get rid of. Scientists around the world have been studying the eating behavior of a group of people for as long as 27 years to find out how eating shortens our lives. As a result of these studies, a list of 15 dangerous eating habits that lead to early death was derived. Here are the top 5 most dangerous habits. 1. Excess salt. Salt enhances the taste of even the lowest quality foods. As a result, we buy a tasty and inexpensive product, which, unfortunately, does not bring any health benefits. We are more and more dependent on sauces, pickles, chips, sausages and other foods that contain excessive amounts of salt. WHO recommends not to exceed the salt rate above 5 grams per day. 2. Lack of whole grains. Whole grains in your diet are a guarantee of healthy digestion. Nutrients are absorbed, decay products are excreted from the body. The norm of dietary fiber per adult is 25-30 grams per day. This is about 2 kilograms of carrots or 2 kilograms of oranges. In the modern diet of the average person, on average, about 15 grams of dietary fiber. This is because the basis of the diet does not include whole grains, as it should be. 3. Lack of vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits are important to life as they provide a source of fiber, magnesium, potassium, antioxidants and phenols. Fresh fruits and vegetables determine the variety of beneficial bacteria in the digestive tract that affect our health. They can reduce the risk of premature death. The optimal daily portion is 300 grams of fruits and 400 grams of vegetables. 4. Lack of nuts and seeds. Nuts are an essential part of a balanced diet. Vitamins, minerals. 60 to 70% vegetable fats, which differ from animal fats in almost complete absence of cholesterol. Therefore, they will not harm the cardiovascular system. Thanks to nuts, a person gets omega-3, omega-6, omega-9. These fats do not harm health, strengthen the immune system. Nuts are an integral part of a balanced diet. Vitamins, minerals. Complete absence of cholesterol. Therefore, they will not harm the cardiovascular system. Thanks to nuts, a person gets omega-3, omega-6, omega-9. 60 to 70% of vegetable fats, which differ from animal fats by almost. These fats are not harmful to health, they strengthen the immune system. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.